Hello, everybody. Ryan here from Precision Trading Labs. What I wanted to do really quickly is I wanted to share a quick look at the SPY before the Monday. It is Saturday late afternoon, so what I'm going to do is let me put up the disclaimer for you guys, and then I'm going to jump right into the SPY, keep this less than 5 minutes. Okay, so here we are on the SPY. You'll see we've kind of gotten into a nice downtrend, but then we've started to reverse a little bit. Still got a lot of stuff to clear here. If you're a supply and demand trader, I actually think right here is a okay, excuse me, let me fix that. Okay supply. Why do I say okay? Because I like the gap, I like the move. Don't love the size of the rally on the rally base drop there, but it'll do. Keep an eye on that one. Okay, because this is a daily chart. And it did break that one there, so that's good. So let's see what happens if we have to get there first, right? So this is the big picture look on the daily chart, or excuse me, weekly chart. That's really powerful. We may not hit that next week. We need pretty much a decent size rally. Let's just see what it looks like on the daily. Yeah, we got a lot of old supply to get through before we get to that weekly one, right? So this is held twice now. Wow. So there's the original supply zone. Price comes up, touches, drops like a rock, comes up, touches again, and drops even further. That means it's going to have a tough time getting through this. Okay, it's touched 3 times now. Excuse me, 2 times of the original. Right. Got something in here I was looking at the other night in our coaching call. If I only have a 4-hour, will do. I don't really like using 4-hour. I like using the 195 for stocks. So before it gets to 408.84, it does have to get through this, right? So we're getting pretty close to that what is this? 401.56. Let me throw the lines on so you guys can see it. 401.56 to 405. This is the next line in the sand. Market has to clear this. For this little short-term rally, you'll see here we bottomed out pretty good, right? Short-term bottom right there. And then finally, we broke out, okay? With a bunch of pullbacks on the way up. When price gets here, I think it's going to struggle. So I don't have a really great bullish case for the market. I actually think the downtrend will continue because it has to get through this first one. And then I actually think it's going to struggle at the 408.11, even though it's chewed up. Things are, I don't want to get into it on this video, excuse me. But if we speak privately, I'll tell you what I'm looking at because it's really a student outlook part. But I think the market's going to struggle to get back to the 420 area that's up here. So, I mean, maybe I'm wrong and we'll get a rip your face off rally into this vicinity, but I don't think so. But that's where I think we are on the big picture look at the SPY. Let me do a quick look at the hourly and just kind of see if there's something. If we do get a pullback, maybe you could ride it up. Yeah, okay, so there are little areas to go long. It has some space to get to 401. All right. So like right here is a decent sized demand zone. Would like this to open a little higher. I don't love it, but it'll do. And then this I like decent amount because you'll notice here you get the rally, a base, right? To get that exit candle, a gap, green candle, and then it just continues higher. So these two, I should clean this up a little bit because I want to take them out. So these are two. Oh, this is a good demand zone. This is a good demand zone, but we do have a lot to take out above current price before we really can resume rally mode. So I think the market's going to struggle in the short term. Just my 2 cents. I'm going to leave it at that for now. And if you guys would like to have a private conversation about how I can help you trade profitably, then go ahead and grab that calendar link that's in the description. Or if you're looking at this video in an email, it'll be in the email to you. And I'm happy to have a chat and see if we're a good fit for each other. And I'll show you more cool trading stuff like this. Have a good weekend. Take care.